Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya.
जय गुरु जी, अनंतम शुक्राना. Sangat, Jai Guruji. My journey started somewhere in October 2018. Sheru uncle, known as Tony, also he got me here to Mandir, saying कि चलो आपको चाय पिला के लाता हूँ. And it was sometime in October. I came, and that was the first day I stepped into this mandir, and I felt so good I can't explain. On the third row I was sitting, had my chai prasad, and then after having chai prasad matha टेक के मैं बाहर शोरूम में जाके जूते पहन के जा रहा हूँ. तो वहाँ पे I met Vikas uncle, who I know from my hometown Panipat. We met and I started coming regularly. गुरुजी ने अपने शरण में लिया. As one of the satsang Vikas uncle shared कि गुरुजी cherry pick करते हैं, and which I feel and agree that उन्होंने cherry pick ही किया मेरे को, क्योंकि I was going through a very very rough time which I cannot explain in the words. मेरा business, the company, the job, the consultancy, my personal life, everything was down the hill. And I started coming every week, all 3 days. And पहली सेवा मेरे को क्लीनिंग सेवा, कारपेट वैक्यूम करने की मिली, और I started doing it very religiously. And one day I made a joke with Seema aunty also कि जब मैं वैक्यूम सेवा नहीं करता हूँ कोई ना कोई नोटिस आ जाता है मेरे पास. So I don't know how to explain this, but as I kept doing seva and seva and seva, all the legal notices, all the problems started going away gradually without even asking from Guruji. He started taking care of me. As personally, I feel the blessings are beyond my imagination, and things started improving gradually for my job, my consultancy, my business and everything, and I feel very blessed. Actually, I surrendered myself in 2019. I was sitting on the third chair again where I love to sit all the time. It was month job. I closed my eyes. It was 7th of March, and mantra job जब मैं करने के लिए आंखें बंद करी, I looked at Guruji's Sarup. I saw my dad's face, smiling face. And after Langar, I went, I used to live in Wayne that time. And I was driving and I started feeling a little uneasy. And I started calling my dad. He didn't pick up the phone. I called my mom back in India. She didn't pick up the call. And I started calling my sisters, my brother-in-law. किसी ने फ़ोन नहीं उठाया. Then I call my office in India, which is across the street of my house, and there is like same with my dad's name, Ramesh. So I call him Ramesh ji. He started in my office as a peon, but I graduated him to a quality controller, with all the trainings. I said, Ramesh ji, पापा फ़ोन नहीं उठा रहे. And he says, भैया पापा गिर गए बाथरूम में. And I started, started booking my tickets and everything. So by the time I was about to leave for airport, news comes, he's no more. And मैं India उस time जब पहुंचा, when I saw my dad, before taking him to the cremation ground, and he had the same smile, same face which I saw sitting here. That is the day I surrendered myself to Guruji. कि मेरे को 7,000-8,000 मील दूर मेरे फादर के लास्ट दर्शन कराए. I'm the only son and a black sheep in the family, to be away from the family, not taking care of my parents or the family. But वो आज मेरे को गुरुजी इतना strong कर दिए, या I would say he has blessed me that much. Like my mom is there, but she says, no, keep staying there. I'm happy. I've told my mom to come here, start living with me. She says, no, I'm happy where I am. I don't want to go anywhere. And second blessing, what Guruji gave me was, through all that rough time. I went through divorce. Things happen. And Guruji blessed me with Pooja Auntie, who I take as a companion rest of the life, which is, as a partner, as a better half, which I feel it's a very, very, smooth journey with Guruji, taking care of everything for me. इसके अलावा मैं ज़्यादा कुछ कह नहीं सकता कि a recent satsang, I got some merchandise, about 2-3 containers got stuck. And on last Tuesday, I was in the city and then saying, Guruji, ये फंस गया माल फिर से. मैं फिर, I'm getting into deep problem and again. So this buyer comes and says, sit with me only for 5 minutes. What do you have? I say, this is what I have. And she says, okay. And she says, I'll send you the PO. Can you ship this tomorrow? I said, yes. And next day, and that night it rained like anything. And next day when I opened the container, उसमें से 50% डब्बे गीले हैं बुरी तरह से. And I said, ये क्या हो गया? And I started packing, taking care of the shipment and everything. Opened all the boxes. Not a single piece which was damaged. Not a single drop on the poly bag. It's only the outer cartons which looked purely wet. But I again think that was a blessing from Guruji, that कि माल भी बिक गया और माल खराब भी नहीं हुआ. जय गुरुजी, thank you.